The Brave Parrots save all animals. This is how you too can bring happiness to your parents.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's watch the video.
Oh dear! I must help them, but what can I do they?
I have an idea! Watch this! Watch this! Flap, flap, flap! Smoke choked the sky. I could not bear the heat. I must save them. I must find strength.
Stop, foolish parrot! Stop! Save yourself! Come and help me!
What a wonderful parrot bird! I should help her! Ah! Thank you, I need your help!